Cloud versus DevOps versus AI careers. Three major paths in modern tech. Today's tech industry is dominated by three powerful career paths: cloud engineering, DevOps engineering, AI, machine learning. Each focuses on a different layer of modern technology. Cloud engineering. Cloud engineers build and manage cloud infrastructure. They work with platforms like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Focus areas include cloud architecture, infrastructure management, scalability, and system reliability. DevOps engineering. DevOps focuses on automation and faster software delivery. Engineers use tools like Docker and Kubernetes to build automated pipelines and manage deployments. The goal is continuous integration, continuous deployment, and system stability. AI/machine learning. AI engineers build systems that learn from data. They use frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch to create predictive models, automation systems, and intelligent applications. Key difference: cloud infrastructure and platforms, DevOps automation and deployment, AI data intelligence and predictions. Which one should you choose? Choose cloud if you enjoy infrastructure and system design. Choose DevOps if you like automation and operations. Choose AI if you enjoy data, algorithms, and building intelligent systems. The future: the most valuable professionals combine skills across these domains. Cloud plus DevOps plus AI together power the next generation of digital platforms.